Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Ya kene kejing ki ban persya ya kejing bamle ke sarkar pedeng halor ki kam snam ki belajar ha kejala Manipur. La penlong ha keleng ki jela jong than jtelam ini bad ha kenong ba shlong la penlong halan khra ya ka balawan bani shimbenta da kinong yalam jong ka KSU ka JSU ka GSU ka FKJGP ka HNYF ka RBYF ka HITO ka Shillong Manipuri Students Union, ka Kuki Students Organisation Shillong, ka Naga Students Union Shillong, ka Shillong Socio-Cultural Assamese Students Association, ka Mizo Students Union Shillong, ka Twipra Students Federation Shillong, ka Arunachal Students Union Shillong, ka Mara Students Organisation, bat ka Lai Students Association. Kajing temu jong ne kajing ki kalong ban penpau kajing snokya halor kajing long jingman ha kajala Manipur khamtam haba mentalah nro benai tam am chemlai I kinu kidak ba kajing long jingman kan jai no ha kajala Manipur kinong krana kajing elang kila penrem jore kajing bam shim kya jong sarkar pedeng ban shim kisen jam banwan ra ya kajing sok ba kajing singan ha kajala Manipur kilo angru ba kajing sngap jar ke sarkar pedeng gapen isai kedar ba sarkar pedeng kam dan jing sngo ya kajing ka bamat ki pat ba ka bamileng ba ki kami umsna chairman ka North East Students Organisation Neso uba Samuel B Jerwa udang bagi sarkar pedeng ka deban kot ekran no ya baro ki bran benta na ka benta bani trailang banwan ra ya kajing songsok ha Manipur ulang bagi pat ba kilama de kajing ka bakraw na kajing ja ha Manipur bar ka sarkar pedeng kala ai de kajing le bom hok ha ka sensar khadar ki pat ba uba Samuel Bijerwa ulang bagi kajing ja ha Manipur kalong ka basngosi bat ka neso ka sngo bagi sarkar India kala pulam ha ka ban shimkya ka kajing ja ka balaja ha ka jala Manipur
Bana kuah ngongi ka kriang ka kisun ka pakanisu berkuai kam sembiang ka ka sigi bamanta bat bishar mano bakma bat mado wadai ikamiang ni saka pensan jindawa juno adik yang ni saka mata kolon pan penrem jaka cilong snapjar na kata kasaran adidew jong ka sarkar India lada ka jinai pitanin jong sarkar India po cilam ta Narendra Modi yang agensi Polri kapani Syah baka sarkar India amin sim bandung ka cingi umsnam coba kita dicari dulu munti po Manipur pagkata kanang kon ta huntay yun si kasapoi ko po kanjia Assam kanjia Tripura kanjia Nagaland kanjia Mizoram kanjia ro po kajula me sa kajumi namar kumagalong kaman lada kayelong kumi Andrew Bnai Kenti kaya kata jinia umsnam po jala Manipur iyi insya punya kelung kena kajinga dun baik Andrai ni ipa kita bos insya coba sekali dia lah kalau henti po jala Manipur ini kiset kelut bagi lihat makna ya ki ijin jala zaman kali kapan perkat dah kumoi pak kejumur ceperkat Indonesia kasokalan dia kadang dah kumoi pak katong kejurkan pangalah burung kadang tak hadir aja jurkan kuno penyak pemedan ini ku dicak untuk dulu iman bukan not dia berko padahal lo kata kapan tak nah kalian jadi solusi bak kini su gaji kalian bak ni sakma kami terkini kasih mentah andai ini personal na sport pakapur yang kesaudara dia lah dia pala bakal dia hingga kasabandong katon kajingong better dan meba kalau kamu sentuh ia kata kasabandong kesaudara dia kacukan bahan is dibun tak military groups ngai baga kumalo mentang i baga saudara dia hi akwa kasusu ia tak kising sengking atia kadang-kadang kalau pak kacak pundai dengan perhak kunta lalu kum gini jinjia di pok celah Manipur. Jelo kata kapunta masuk kandang nak kalian jengki isu. Ibu dikajing doa bak kubur ke basah dalam. Saudara dia berbela yai jingum senang di pok Manipur. Kalau bukan sekali cuma jingga keren. Kasneso kalau persen hai buat balak congkak. Kalau persen berperslo banyak keren. bat ki wei pak alian ka dijat pen rei honrai wei ban ban baka sorgan dia ka persampat da kumpai baka snak jaja ka jingdong kita sipai da ki pau hajar yole sikla apa da gila muti po Manipur i thet kum tam sule pe drama kremle i bakane kapan phalang bat na om yole se ka sorgar BJP badan te po dari ka perkhat bat ne si ka don pat da goi bat smu beri kumdo pat sedang yakta cimpani usnam para rulum pat kadajin sedang Manipur yole se kan sapur ter hawi pat dijala po no is bro ko bat kata kadai kanupsa kami kuat bakun bijak pun rulum kami emba syong pasa hat ne lo is bro ko kathong bakmatan kalong ditang jinglong kawai jinglong supaya pak kecil kurang makalya ngbe syarut mengedak syarut ya kataga jing perkhat ong hapa ni umsna namar kecil umsna makalya kanampoi syakathong bangin i bak jingkiyo coba cak berulung apa nang sendiri ditang kecil saki yang cenjot pada tang kecil saki kecil liam pada tang kecil saki cing ya tepot makalya pada kon kena ikasri kalian juga saya isoba asyatri juga soba ya dan rangka pada kecilan bahasa lebih jeruang pada pro student organisation pada asyatri juga so in persian kalau kalian kuno ya kebayang ya keban pensau sekarang dia nama kacing yang kan tipu jalan impor kada yang kan co kita ipai dulu ibasong pasak lo isi bro kowe pada yang lo kata bentar kata orang ini so ke shimlo jam bentar bagi jual berjumlah bagi jual itu baka sorga dia kan malay lana kamlay kapani baka sorga dia kebakan shot baka sorga dia kapa alin baka sorga dia kapa rapat ini cium senang nanti pun celaman pun.
Now the question arises, who can bring peace to the state of Manipur? As indigenous peoples of the Northeast, the government of India since independence, we've been facing only political injustice. We've been saying this again and again, time after time, generation after generation, that the government of India only gives us political injustice. But successive central governments, they have denied that they are giving us political injustice. There are many instances when we think of the northeastern region, we are being made to merge with India. Manipur by force was made to merge with India. Meghalaya, through the instrument of accession, was made to annex or to accede with India. And many other princely states and autonomous areas were made to merge with India. And we've seen the government of India using the draconian law, the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, against the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region. We have seen how the Indian Air Force, they bombed Mizoram during the rebellion in Mizoram. We have seen the security forces, how the atrocities they have committed in the different states of northeastern region in the name of fighting insurgency. And the government of India has done another political injustice, that is by flooding the northeastern region with illegal migrants from Bangladesh. And they even passed recently in 2019, they passed the Citizenship Amendment Act. And this inaction on the part of the government of India with regard to the situation, to the crisis in Manipur, is another political injustice in which the indigenous peoples of Manipur in particular and the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region in general have to face. This is a very dangerous trend. This is a very unfortunate incident that happened in Manipur, and I feel, as NESO, we felt that the government of India has failed terribly to address the situation in Manipur. We have called upon the government of India to resolve the issue, but till today it seems that the government of India is still turning a blind eye and a deaf ear to the sufferings of the people of Manipur. How long will this go on? How long will we allow this to carry on? The people, lives are at stake, loss of property, the students' career are at stake and being destroyed. One generation can be destroyed because of this crisis, but the government of India is not paying any attention. So NESO, with the support of all the concerned organizations, is demanding that the government of India should take the initiative to bring about a permanent peace in the state of Manipur.